It's a beautiful day out here today, and so we are going to finally get to my garage so I can get some of this junk out of there and these cabinets moved over. Now, I'm not going to be working on all of the garage and the shop today, but we are going to get it cleaned up and get the cabinets moved. So I have my granddaughter out here. It's supposed to be 60s, in the 60s, and what a welcome relief after negative wind chill factors.
We had a dream many years ago to live life away from it all, to have some sheep, maybe a cow or two, with cats and dogs and goats and an occasional moon.
After removing all of the stuff off this cabinet, we are taking it apart. This workbench can hardly wait.
Why is this two different colors?
Because I ran out of paint. I used what I had at the time. Pry it up. Is there still one in there?
I can't get my finger under it. Every time.
I wouldn't take the leg off first. We'll take this board off first. hate this garage floor. And let me just turn you around so you can see it. It's just a nasty old concrete floor. It gets dirty really easy. So I thought about putting rubber flooring in. But how many of you think I should paint it? Let me know and leave a comment below. I had complications with my battery. And I wanted to show you, we did get all of these cabinets moved over here to this side and up off of the ground until, because I'm going to raise these up off the ground just so water, if it floods in here, water doesn't get to the cabinets. So I may be mounting them to the wall like a upper cabinet. I'm not sure yet. But I may just put concrete blocks underneath it and I don't have to worry about it either. Anyway, so we have everything in totes. And yeah. So my next step is going to be to get this wall insulated. I'm just doing one wall at a time because I still have that wall and this wall. So this is what my shop's going to consist of. This wall, and this wall. And then over here, I'm going to be moving all my canning supplies into my storage room where I keep food storage. And all of my animal supplies, I'm going to make a place out in the barn for them. And then I'm going to be moving my camping gear and outdoor gear all into our shed out back. So this area will be where I can move it can be a workspace area. That's the plan. I'm going to insulate this, get these cabinets installed. I'm going to end this video here, and I want to thank you for coming and joining me with this endeavor. It's going to be a big project, but it'll be a lot of fun, so stay with me. Thank you for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below and leave a little comment on what you would do to make this shop better. I am going to add a new floor to it. I haven't decided on rubber or painted, so leave your comment below what you think I should use for my floor.